If alpha and beta are the different complex number with mod beta equal 1, then find mod beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta. We know that z into z bar equal mod z square. Then mod z square means mod beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha beta square. It is mod z square equal z into its conjugate, means z value of z is beta minus alpha 1 minus alpha bar beta. It is z and its conjugate. We also know that the property z1 by z2 whole bar equal z1 bar by z2 bar. Then beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta equal into beta minus alpha bar 1 minus alpha bar beta. z1 bar by z2 bar. Beta minus alpha bar 1 minus alpha bar beta bar. Now beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta into beta minus alpha. We know that z1 minus z2 bar, z1 minus z2 whole bar equal z1 bar minus z2 bar. Then from this property we have beta bar minus alpha bar by 1 minus alpha bar, means conjugate of alpha bar. Conjugate of z bar equal z. Then it is 1 minus alpha and beta bar. Now open the bracket, beta into beta bar minus beta into alpha bar minus alpha into beta bar, alpha into alpha bar. 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta minus alpha bar beta bar. We have beta into beta bar equal mod beta square. Then mod beta square minus beta alpha bar minus alpha beta bar minus mod alpha square by 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta alpha bar, which is mod alpha square, and it is mod beta square. Value of mod beta square is 1. Mod beta equal 1 means mod beta square equal 1. 1 minus beta alpha bar minus alpha beta bar minus mod alpha square, and 1 minus alpha beta bar minus alpha bar beta minus mod alpha square into mod beta square means 1, and this whole term cancel out. We have 1. Then taking square root, we have the value of beta minus alpha by 1 minus alpha bar beta equal 1. Now the second question number 25. Find the number of non-zero integral solution of the equation 1 minus mod value of 1 minus x to the power x equal to x. We know that mod value of 1 minus I is equal, modulus of 1 minus I is 1 square plus minus 1 square. It is equal root 2. Put the value of mod 1 minus I here. We have given equation 1 minus I x equal 2x. Put the value of mod 1 minus I root 2 x equal 2x, then it is equal to x power 2, x by 2 and 2 to the power x. On comparing, x by 2 equal x, and it is possible for only for x equal 0, and it is answer.